Depression signs and symptoms. 10 depression warning signs. Depression is a common, chronic, and embarrassing disease that most people feel ashamed to admit they have. What is even worse is that some people with this mental illness do not know that they are suffering from it. In this video, I will share some signs and symptoms of depression you should know. Everyone feels a little blue sometimes. But when those feelings become so overwhelming that it keeps you from living a normal everyday life, you could be suffering from depression. Depression does not just affect your emotions. It also has profound effects on your thoughts, your behavior, and your overall physical well-being. Whether you or a loved one is currently struggling, here are 10 depression signs and symptoms you should look out for. 1. Trouble sleeping. Depression often leads to persistent anxiety or sad thoughts. This could keep you up at night as you dwell on self-criticism, confusion, and doubt. Insomnia could also be triggered by a lack of physical exertion throughout the day, which is common in depressive individuals. 2. Changes in appetite. Appetite changes manifest differently in different people with depression. Some do not experience hunger or feel the urge to eat. On the other hand, others use food as a coping mechanism and will develop an excessive appetite. 3. Loss of energy. Lack of sleep and an unhealthy appetite could lead you to become weak. Depression can also make you feel tired and unmotivated to move. Even your everyday tasks may feel too taxing, and your favorite activities may suddenly seem unappealing. 4. Frequent mood swings. When you are not feeling a profound sense of sadness, you might find that you quickly switch between moods. You might become easily frustrated, and it does not take much for you to become irritated by situations or the people around you. That might lead to snapping or angry outbursts. 5. Withdrawal from social activities. Your mood, lack of energy, and loss of enthusiasm for social activities might lead you to withdraw from your friends and family. You find it difficult to commit to attending events, and often dread them when you cannot excuse yourself from them. 6. Inability to focus. Depression makes it hard for you to concentrate on anything. Whether it is your work or tasks in your daily routine, you will find yourself unable to focus. That could snowball into further depression and the inability to care for yourself. 7. Lack of personal care. As you withdraw from social situations and become unmotivated to go through even your everyday tasks, you will find that your personal hygiene begins to suffer. Days might pass where you do not bathe or brush your teeth. Your household will also likely suffer as you avoid cleaning, taking out the trash, and doing laundry. 8. Unexplained aches and pains. Depression might manifest physically as aches and pains. This is typical, especially if you suffer from anxiety. Often you will feel muscle aches or digestive distress that could lead to bloating, vomiting, or nausea. Your lack of sleep and nutrition could also lead to headaches and other body pains. 9. Substance abuse. It is common for depressive individuals to self-medicate using drugs or alcohol. These substances tend to dull or numb the pain caused by mental anguish and could also distract you from evil thoughts. However, these substances could easily pave the way for addiction. 10. Suicidal thoughts. When you become overwhelmed by the physical and emotional symptoms of depression, you might start to engage in thoughts of suicide. However, it is essential to acknowledge that these thoughts and feelings are brought about by a medical condition and could be alleviated by getting the right help. These depression signs and symptoms you should look out for are 10 depression warning signs that may require professional help. It is not something you can snap out of or ignore. No one should get used to feeling that way because if left untreated, depression will get worse. Untreated depression can progress to more severe emotional, physical, and psychological symptoms, and so it is essential to seek help as soon as possible. following are study references we used to create this video, so you can start on your own research. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.